Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are also fine. Today I will teach you what is Temp Mail and how to use Temp Mail. It is very important video in these sections. Many peoples don't know how to use temp mail and what is use of temp mails. Temp mails is a very important emails if you using something experiment in one times and you have to need to OTP any type of verification, then simply you can use temp mail. Temp mail is very different and very unique items, unique emails like these original emails. Okay, let's get started video and I will showing in this video how to use the temp mails. Okay, suppose I am going to in this website and you can search on Google simply temp mails. Temp mails, here the many type of the website in opens in here. First of all, like this website, then second of all this type of website, then opens one website, and here too will be get in many type of emails in temp mail. Here too showing your temporary emails address here. Okay, this is temp mails. If you using any type of verification, something like any type of codings, decodings, then you can using simply copy. Here to click in copy, then using these emails, and where to use emails, then here to is inbox. Your code available in these sections. Suppose you have to not getting and long time you are waiting, then click one time of the refresh. Okay, one time you have to refresh, but email will be not, nothing will be changed. Email will be same to same, but here too many type of the refresh. Suppose that you have to change something, then here to click change your emails, and suppose you want to delete it in these emails, then simply clicks. So clicks here this in emails 974. Okay, I press this delete this email address, then here to click, then changing in these emails. Here to watch, here to watch email, it will be changed, yani old email will be deleted, and you can using again refresh and fresh emails. Here to again change, then click like these options, then here to changing other type of getting premium. Okay, like these emails you can using here to any type of emails in simply clicking and copy or refresh, but refresh button, many type of options you can use and search. Suppose you have to buy any type of membership, then premium membership here also, and $10 you have to buy $10 every month. If you want to buy yearly plan, then $60 for 1 years. If you have to 1 month for only, then $10. It is very useful. If you want to buy, then simply click and register and buy. Okay, I hope you have to learning something in this video. Thanks for watching. Meet you next video.